friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the magic number or not in C language using recursive logic. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position to here so you can watch better with my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open alt F file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to en- enter one integer number and find out that number is magic or not using recursive. Yes, here we can use as a recursive uh, sum of digits. Yes, so let us check. So I give in multi-line, so means second line, so you can check, watch in one screen. So yes, first in your mind, what is a magic number? That's the question. So magic number is a number that we can sum of digit at the single last digit, and that is a getting one, so that is a magic number. Otherwise that's not a magic number. So let us one example. So like 50113, that is a magic number. Why? Because 5 plus 1 plus yes, here first 0 or no problem. So 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, so that is a sum of 10, and then again we can continue this process. So that is a like recursive logic function call itself. So here we can digit same process apply to the sum of digit, so single digits, and that is getting one, so that is a magic number. Otherwise that not a magic number. So many number is a magic, like 1 2 3 is a best, like 1 2 plus 3 plus 4, so actual that sum is 10, and then again we can calculate the sum. So 1 plus 0, so that is a 1, so that is also magic number. Then 640, that is also sum is a 10, like 6 plus 4 plus 0, so that is a 10 and 10. Then again sum, so 1 plus 0, that is a 1, and last we can give like 6 5 2, so that is a also sum is 10, because 3 plus 5 plus 2, so that is a 10, and again 10 is always sum is 1, so that digit sum, so that is a 1. So that all number is a magic, and like 1 2 3 is a not magic. Why? Because that sum of digit is 6, but that is not 1, so that is a not magic number. So here we can consider as a magic number. So I give comment line, and we can use recursively digit sum and use UDF. We have to user defined function. So first I cannot use user defined function first without UDF, and then I convert our logic into UDF. So let us start. Our header file include standard input output and console input output and void main, and then we can start to declare some integer variable. So first is one number, then we can separate the digit, and then sum of digit, so 0 initialization. So here the screen, and first we can scan one integer number. So here one message, enter one integer number, and then scanf function. So that is our input one, enter one number. So divide and conquer, input, process, and output. So input is complete. We can scan one integer number. And now we can start to our second part, and that is a logic. So n is greater than 0, and logical or operator, and sum is greater than 9, because after 9 there are two digits. So that is our logic. So here after 9, then we can get the two digit sum. We can show start that same while loop. Some student taking um, 2 digit and two while loop, 3 digit and three while loop. That is not proper. So how many that you can take as a while loop? But here only one loop we can take over, and that is recursively call to that while loop itself, and again continue to our single digit sum. So that is a recursively digit sum. So yes, here we can say that n equal to 0. So that our number is at the last is 0, and so we can continue same loop. So n assigned to our sum and sum assigned to 0. So that continue our while loop. And what to do? So first we can separate the digit. So n modulo 10, so that digit is separate, and sum plus equal to digit. So you have to know that is a compound assignment. Sum equal to sum. Yes, that full form is this statement, sum equal to sum plus d. So whenever two one variable used in one statement two times, so we can say use the compound assignment short technique. And same, you can apply the n uh, divide equal to 10. So that is also short technique. N equal to n divided by 10. So that is a compound assignment, means that is operator. So now that perfectly. And then if after while loop we can say that if sum equal equal to 1, so we can say that that number is magic. So we can say that the number is magic number, and else part we can say that the number is not magic number. So number is not magic number. Yes. And then get ch. So let us check, and I save this file. Yes, F2, and here we can say that magic underscore uh, number, and that is our apply the second technique, recursively digit sum. In previously one video lecturing already there in my YouTube channel, but here we can use as a UDF. So let us check. I give the technique 2. So yes, there is no any error. Yes, so perfectly our logic is no any change. So yes, I first compile. Yes, there is no any error. And first we can take like 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can see that is a magic number. Yes. And here I give like 1, 2, 3. So that is a not magic number. So that is perfectly. And here one logical issue, because that is a range problem. Like I enter 50113, so give the negative, I think. Let us check 50113. So that is a not magic number, but actually that is a magic number. Why? So let us check. We can print also sum, so we can get the idea. So here percentage d and sum, and here also percentage d and sum. So let us I compile and run. So again I give 50113. So you can look here, sum is 0. Why? Because that is a, we can say that here range problem is created. So because our integer positive range is 32,767, but here that number is a, we can enter is a 50,100 113. So that is a out of range, and that not is a magic number. Why? So here we can take as watch window and how that logical error is created. So look here. So first our number and then sum, and there are three variable digits. So let us check. I trace and also take as a output window. So that is a our output window. Also I some decrease the size, now create and alter R. So here we can trace it to F7 function key. So look that the watch window is start, and I give like 50113. So here that while loop is, yes, directly come out here. Look, that is negative, because that is a range, creating the range problem. So I can just show you. So what is a solution of that? That is a magic number. give that not a magic number. So here we can take as a n as a long integer, only n is required. And here we can also improve our logic. Here d is not required. I remove one statement and remove one variable. That is a best logic. So I just remove this d, or we can say that d sum I combine. So what this statement we can so directly we can I remove this and take indirectly to sum, as like here we can and give the d sum. And here what to do, so directly we can say that n uh, we can take as modulo 10. So we can remove one variable. Yes, that perfectly. And here I also d sum. So one variable is removed and we can one statement remove. And digit sum is very low. So I also take as integer because that is an integer. But here n is a long integer. So ld we can scan. So I can save, and sum is, let us check. So yes, what to, yes, here d sum, yes, we can change our variable name. So you can just sum, there is no issue, but here we can remove the d as a single digit for d, but we have to d sum, digit sum. So I can give the d sum. Now what here also, yes, here remaining all is d sum we can provide, and then all error is gone. So now I can again 50113. Now that is a magic number perfectly. So previously that is out of range and that not give answer that is a magic or not. But now that we can solve the error, logical error, because that is a range problem, because 5,000, 50,000, 113. So that is a out of our positive range in integer data type. So we can provide long integer. So that is a perfect, and we can remove one variable and remove one statement. And now we can convert this our logic into user defined function UDF. So first we can take as with argument with return data type. So is magic, yes, magic, that is our UDF name. And here we can also as integer data type. So that is a perfect. And now we can call, yes, here we can take as like d sum, yes, or any variable. So let us check, or we can take as a one uh, flag, or here directly not take any handler, yes, in main. So how to convert the step by step to user defined function, that is very important. So now I directly take as if conditioning. You can also take one integer. So first I give extra one variable and then I convert the logic. So here we can say that like d, yes, sum I use same variable, and is magic, yes, that function, and pass to n. And then what to do, so here we can take like integer, we can say that mm, is magic, that is our UDF. And take here we can say that uh, pass to n, but n is a long integer. So here we can also as a long integer pass to argument. And let us check, here I also take as long integer and give the same name, yes. And then all this logic I cut and paste. So I copy all this logic, control insert, yes, control insert first time, then cut, okay, and paste to here. So let us check. Here I also declare some variables. So that is a, we can say that n is already there, but digit sum, yes, that is remaining. So that is, we can say that d sum initially 0, yes. And here we cannot print, we have to return, yes, because that is, so return we can 1 if and here we can return 0. So dsum is a 1, so we can return 1, otherwise 0. That is UDF, and here we can just send, but I remove this logic here, no require any logic. Yes, so here we can print the message. So here you can take as a flag variable, not the sum, the flag or any name. So flag, so flag we can set that 1, so that is a magic, and here we now not print, only give the message. Yes, let us check. So just save, compile. Yes, but yes, here that is flag. I take, so initially flag not on a initialize. Here we can initialize. Yes, I save, compile. Yes, what to do? So yes, here it is parenthesis. Yes, that's some small mistake. Yes, now there is no any error. So let us check. We can pass 640. So that is a magic number. So you can also print. Yes, where is the print? Yes, here you can print and then return value. So that is possibility. And here I take not like I remove one again, give the short logic. So what is, so here we can remove the flag variable. So what to do? So here we can directly call in the if condition is magic. Yes, and then we can pass as an variable. So that is also one remove the variable and one statement. Again I use short logic, so that is a perfectly, and you can I yes, so all are well. So if you print the sum, let us check first. I compile and give again like 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Yes, that is a magic number. So that perfectly, yes, no any very simple develop. Yes, here we can logic, and if you print the sum, that is also possibility. So here we can print sum here, yes, the percentage D, and that is a D sum, digit sum. So that is a first print the sum and then print our message. Yes, so let us check, and here I can also print. So why that is not magic number? So percentage D, yes, and one blank page, yes, and then we can print the D sum. If not print, then no any problem. So let us check. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, yes, 6. The number is not magic number. And now again I give like C5 2, so that is a 1, so that number is a magic number, so that is a single digit sum is a 1. So look here how to perfect our logic. So here we can take a very short logic, and also last short technique. So that is a before the we can use as a UDF, means declaration. Here in the main we can calling our UDF, and after the main we can take as a definition. But I cut this definition and passed before the main, so we can reduce one element of UDF. That is possibility in C language. So what to do? So here there is no, so you can look here declaration and definition, only semicolon is different. So I can remove, means just comment line. So one part we can remove. So compiler get the declaration. So in the definition and declaration, both in the one line. Yes, here no require the semicolon because that is a definition. But you can before the main. Yes, main is below and UDF is a above definition of UDF. That is possibility. Let us check. So no any error, and as it is our program is continue. So there is very short technique I can give the idea. So that is a magic number or not. And now that comment line is not required. You can get the idea. So here with argument with return data type, I declare this type of UDF user defined function, and we can declare and definition in the main. So that is a all definition before the main. So that is a valid in C language. So that is a new idea for you. Yes, any UDF you can apply this technique. So reduce one element, declaration, definition, and calling. So we can remove the declaration. So where the declaration compiler get, so here this line. So definition and declaration only semicolon, we can remove the declaration and directly take before the main as a definition of user defined function. So yes, that's a very interesting session for your knowledge. We recursively digit sum. So again, I give some any number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a not a magic number. So 10 plus 5, and then the answer is a 15. And so now complete. So now I close this file. Just write this program to your C notebooks and close and quit. So subscribe my channel Shopsai Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.